National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a red flag warning for northern Graham, northern Greenlee White and Gila Mountains. Red flag warning remains in effect from noon today to 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening for strong and gusty southwest winds, low relative humidity, and a very high fire danger for Fire Weather Zone 153, affected area, Fire Weather Zone 153, timing, red flag warning from noon to 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. Winds, sustained 20-foot winds from the southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts around 35 miles per hour. Relative humidity, minimum humidity values will range from 9 to 14%. Impacts, any fires that develop or are ongoing will have the potential to spread rapidly. For a detailed view of the hazard area, visit WeatherGov Tucson and click on the detailed hazards icon.